Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with an interesting batch which is nothing but simplify home security subscription renewals. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ certification. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel. Do check that. So let's take up our first challenge now. So this challenge deals with signing up with a free developer edition org, and I will provide the video link in description as we have already done that. And one more point to be noted here is, if you are doing the same CPQ challenges, you don't need to sign up with a developer org again and again. If you are doing it for the first time, it is well and good, and you don't need to repeat the same step again. And let's verify the step now. And I'm using the same org for doing all of my CPQ challenges. So if you see here, it will get pass. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. So remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.